I listed things so that I won't forget. I wanted to collect my thoughts properly and share everything to all of you in full details. I read once in the Bible which states that there is a time for everything. It's Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 to 8, which includes a time to be born and a time to die, a time for planting and a time for rooting, a time for laughters and a time for weeping, a time to tear and a time to mend, a time to hurt, but there's also a time to heal. There's a time to be silent, and there's also a time to speak out. And there's a time to search, but there's also a time to give up. And today comes the perfect time. Ito po yung time na I've been waiting for. The time to pause and bid you all thank you and goodbye. I am passing the leadership for MIQ Philippines organization. Sana po alam ninyo and napatunayan ko sa inyo that I so revere my vocation as MIQ Philippines National Director. We as an organization have accomplished a lot together. We made history together. We proved that Philippine trans pageantry has potentials to grow. That trans beauty queens should have equal exposure, privilege, attention as the other main cisgender pageants. Yan po talaga ang advocacy ko when I accepted the offer from the head office. Gusto ko po ipakita na we belong. We trans women are women. That's why we deserve what our cisgender women sisters get. That our trans queens should wear the same pageant heels, same accessories, that we should be supported by the same famous designers who support our cisgender beauty queens. We have proved that trans pageantry may be a small sector, but we should not be taken aside. Thus, our collaboration po sa mga government and private entities and setting international diplomatic ties. So that was my vision. I want to set a statement. I wanted to make a statement that my trans queen sisters, my Filipino trans queen sisters, they deserve recognition. They deserve to be included sa programs ng bawat sector. And I'm happy to say, I would like to share that in almost 4 years of my leadership, nagawa po natin. We somehow have made it. We are now more visible than before. And we are now more recognized than before. My almost 4 years in the position would not have been successful kung wala po sa tulong ninyong lahat. First and foremost, she's watching right now, Ma'am Alisa Pantusa Kumpalin. Thank you so very much for the trust. And thank you so very much for saying yes and acknowledging
my decision to step down. It was a hard decision for me, but
That's what I wanted, not just for myself, but for the organization.
Direk Rod, dahil sa MIQ Philippines, naging magkapatid tayo, and I love you for that. To my three queens, Fuchsia, Lars, and Sophia,
Thank you for teaching me and showing me my potential to be a mother. Kaya ko po palang maging nanay. So sad that I was not able to change the lives of all the candidates. But I am already feeling accomplished that I have somehow changed the lives of these three beautiful women. That's more than enough for me for now. Sa lahat po ng mga sponsors, designers, public and private organizations, sa ating mga naging regional directors, salamat po for having supported me and MIQ Philippines for the last 3 years. Sa lahat ng mga embahada, diplomats, and ng mga ambassadors who opened their doors to me and to the organization when I pitched to them the importance of supporting trans pageantry in the Philippines. Thank you so very much. And of course, sa best pageant fan in the world, sa lahat ng fans ng mga Pilipino, kayo po ang nagpapaingay sa atin, and maraming salamat po sa pag-support ninyo sa journey ng tatlo nating Reyna. Maraming salamat po talaga sa mga fans. And to our pageant media people, you know how much I love you po. May TF or wala, malayo or malapit, hindi po kayo nagdadalawang isip na paunlakan ang bawat events ng MIQ Philippines. For that, I would be and I am forever indebted. And to my other half, thank you for being my strength and my stay. Nasabi ko po kanina, today is, should I say, one of the toughest decisions I made in this lifetime. But for the love of peace over unwanted arguments, this decision is more important than my role and my title as a national director. It has been my greatest honor to have served the community and the world of pageantry. I will continue to share my fond memories as a national director of MIQ Philippines hanggang sa tumanda na po ako.